Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to quickly find files using PowerToys Run. This replaces the slower default Windows search with a lightning-fast, minimalist launcher bar that indexes your entire storage drive and retrieves documents instantly as you type. First, click the Start button, type PowerToys, and select PowerToys Settings. Look at the navigation sidebar menu on the left side. Click the System Tools tab and click on PowerToys Run. Locate the toggle switch at the very top explicitly labeled Enable PowerToys Run and click it to flip it completely on. Press the default universal shortcut keys Alt plus Space simultaneously on your keyboard to instantly trigger the floating search overlay bar in the center of your screen. Type the name of the document or folder you are looking for to tell the engine to filter exclusively for file names. Use your arrow keys to highlight the target file from the dynamic results list and press Enter to boot it up instantly in its native desktop application. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus E while highlighting any file name to immediately open its containing folder directory straight inside File Explorer. And that's it! Your fast system indexing launcher is now completely enabled and optimized. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.